elephant 这一道题，首先大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。Alright， 我们来看一下第一部分。The elephant is OK， 单词本身念 elephant， 但是连读的时候呢 ，the elephant is 这个 t 就弱化了，不是 the elephant is OK。The elephant is the largest， 注意这个 t，largest living land mammal， 本身念 land， 在这里是 land mammal。land mammal 这个 d 口型一定要做到位。悉尼 Sydney 这个 d 非常清楚，对不对？没有这个 d 的发音，但是呢，你这个口型做到位的时候呢，这个音是能听到的。Sydney 这个 d 口型是非常清楚，可以听得非常清楚。OK，land mammal 如果没有这个 d 呢 ，land mammal 就完全是错误了。During evolution, its 注意 ，OK，its skeleton has greatly 这个单词念 greatly， 但是在 native 里面呢，它是 greatly 这个 t 呢，它不会发得很清楚。但是你念成 greatly 也没有错，但是一定要迅速 ，OK， 不是 greatly， 是 greatly。Altered， 注意小小的拖音 ，altered from the usual mammal, designed for two main reasons。好，我们把第一部分再读一遍。The elephant is the largest living land mammal. During evolution, its skeleton has greatly altered from the usual mammal, designed for two main reasons。好，第二部分 ，one is to cope with， 不是 cope with，OK，one is to cope with 这个 p 只要这个口型要做的非常的到位 ，OK，cope with 一定要合住 ，the great，OK，weight of 要这三个地方注意了 ，the great weight of，the great weight of，great weight of，huge grinding。不是 grinding，OK，grinding chick teeth， 大家听 chick teeth， 我没有读成 chick teeth，OK，chick teeth and elongated， 重音在前面 elongated task， 这个 k 要发清楚 task， making the skull particularly massive，particularly 多音节词，不要读成了 particularly，OK， 很快 particularly。好，我们把第二部分读一下。One is to cope with the great weight of huge grinding chick teeth and elongated task, making the skull particularly massive. 第三部分 The other is to support, OK? The other is to support the 本身念 support 没有问题，在句子当中 support the support 口型一定要做到位。The 把清楚 support the enormous bulk of such a huge body 连在一起 enormous bulk of such a huge body bulk of such a huge body alright 整段话呢我们来读一遍 The elephant is the largest living land mammal. During evolution, its skeleton has greatly altered from the usual mammal, designed for two main reasons. One is to cope with the great weight of huge grinding chick teeth and elongated tusk, making the skull particularly massive. The other is to support enormous bulk of such a huge body. All right, thank you guys.